Heavy jump ropes are a versatile fitness tool that can help users achieve their fitness goals. There are many products available to choose heavy jump ropes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best heavy jump ropes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Weighted jump rope for fitness. The weighted jump rope for fitness comes in a durable design to help improve coordination, agility, footwork, quickness, and endurance. The polymer synthetic fiber used is heavy and super durable, and with an extra lengthened version, it offers strong wear resistance and extends its service life. The heavy jump rope is 10 times more effective than ordinary ropes for building your. Number 2. Elite SRS Muay Thai 2.0 Weighted Jump Rope. The Elite SRS Muay Thai 2.0 Weighted Jump Rope is designed for high-intensity training, such as CrossFit, Muay Thai, and MMA workouts. It features a 9-foot rope that weighs 1.5 pounds and is recommended for heights 5'9" to 6'1" tall. The thick 12 mm diameter PVC cord creates extra drag for a quicker cardio workout, while the dual ball bearing design makes for a fast, smooth spin. This rope engages the core, back, shoulder, and arms, building grip strength and muscle endurance for grappling. The industrial-grade 4.7 long handles are made of an ultra-durable, unbreakable plastic, and the upgraded 12 mm PVC cord can be used on outdoor and rough surfaces, suitable for both women and men of all fitness levels. Number 3. Heavy Jump Rope for Fitness 3LB. The Alphanize Heavy Jump Rope is perfect for an intense full-body workout. With its significantly heavier weight and rotating handles to reduce pain, it's ideal for building muscle and endurance. The adjustable length ensures a tailored workout, while the durable material. Number 4. Jump Rope. Weighted jump ropes for men/women. Get fit and build strength with the HPYGN Weighted Jump Rope. This heavy skipping rope is the perfect choice for your fitness routine. Jumping with this weighted rope for just 5 minutes is equivalent to 30 minutes with an ordinary rope, making it a highly efficient workout tool. The humanized design features an upgraded anti-slip handle, ensuring a secure grip and reducing the risk of wrist sprains. The durable polymer synthetic fiber material ensures a long-lasting jump rope that can withstand intense workouts. With its portable bag, you can take the HPYGN jump rope anywhere and continue your fitness journey on the go. It's the best gift for fitness enthusiasts, allowing them to exercise anytime, anywhere. Number 5. FICO Weighted Jump Rope. FICO Weighted Jump Rope is designed for men and women with 1 pound overall weight. Metal handles with silicone cover, an adjustable 10-foot PVC rope that can be cut to any length. It comes with a soft and fuzzy carry bag for storage or travel. The high-quality ball bearings inside the handle provide smooth spinning. What we like: durable metal handles with silicone cover, adjustable length jump rope. Comes with a soft and fuzzy carry bag for storage or travel.